Ka tunat ka koi ka kya ka jela kala shim kya bha halor ka jingiap badang shan jongkwe ka longkmie armet hapo maternal and child health MCH hospital hajwai West Giant Hills district but Maham ban le da ka bating e persha e kitu ki bri ku badan kti lada ka jing to oket ka sham baka dei na ka jingle sting habakran shakila pathai ku bor ha ka sing tho ding ka director of health service MCH and FW ka Dr. NE Kharsa no kala ong ni sngosi jor halor ka jingkhlat khlem dei por jonga kong lit panche bare namar la de pan mudui dak e jahar bat ba ka jing to ke dek pulit bat magistrate balakmi bania da deputy commissioner ka West Giant Hills kalaya shakman na kalyang ka head department kala IT ya baro ke jingtep ki badan kam shak inquiry committee ka jingpej bania ya ka dawten rai ru kalaya shakmat banlap ya ka dong ko jingduna ni jingbakla hakarukam trekam lada ka jing to oket ka sham ya ka no ko jingle sting ne ka jing pulam ha ka rukam a jing sumar on shime ki sinjam ki bating e persha ya ki to ki badan kti kala maham kala benram katanat ka pen pau biang ya ka jing kular halor ka jing long ka basai ka jing ket kriep ka jing shnga jing nong pang ba ngin shime ki sinjam ban pen bet kat kum ki jing don kam ban pen khanye ki don ki baya dei ba ka ko ki kya jing ki long kumi armet hakaleng ki jaka a jing sumar pat ba haba pen pau bakane kamde kapor banya keno hendroi kapor ban perkhat bat ban pen bha ka doktor kharsa no kala ong kum katanat ngai ko jingmot scam haka jingkit khle ban pen thikna bokum kini jingjia basngosi kin amjia shu hadin habut
As you are aware that we have all aware that we have seen on YouTube that there was a news report on the incident of medical negligence on one late Srimati Pynshitom, a 38-year-old resident of Jalapen. We are deeply saddened by the untimely death of Srimati Pynshitom. She was a patient, 9 gravida. She was referred to MCH Panaliar Hospital earlier this week. On the 2nd of June, she was initially admitted at Sutra CHC and she was referred to Panaliar MCH Hospital at 8:10 p.m. But on that day, she refused to proceed to the referral hospital on that night. And then she was admitted on the 3rd of June at 12:45 p.m. and evaluated by the attending physician. And she was found to be clinically stable. She was fully conscious, oriented, her BP, pulse and oxygen level were within normal limit. And conservative management was initiated, including hydration and medication. Since she was not in active labor and since there were no immediate danger signs, she was kept under observation. But on the 4th of June morning, she was reviewed by again by the obstetrician, who confirmed that there is no immediate need for operative intervention. So she was continued on conservative monitoring. Then on the 4th of June at around 6:20 p.m., the pregnant mother, she complained of abdominal pain and she was shifted to high dependency unit for close monitoring and further evaluation. But at 7:15 p.m. on the 4th of June 2025, the patient's relative, they requested that she be discharged and shift to another health facility. And the process for discharge was initiated by the doctor on duty, and the family was advised to arrange an ambulance. Then on the 4th of June, again at around 10 p.m., her condition started deteriorating suddenly. She became breathless, unconscious, and her oxygen level also had come down. Her vitals also had she had a BP also had come down, and she was gasping. So emergency response was initiated immediately, and specialists also, the obs and gynae specialists and the medicine specialists, they gave prompt resuscitative efforts, but her condition could not be reversed. So she was declared dead at 9:30 p.m. in spite of the resuscitative effort that was given to her. So the current status and departmental commitment is that as an FIR has been lodged and a formal investigation by the police and the magisterial inquiry is monitored by the DC is on the way. So The health department has submitted all the relevant medical records, duty rosters, and case details to the inquiry committee, the inquiry team. Root cause analysis also is in progress to identify any gaps in the system, response, or procedural lapses. If the inquiry reveals any negligence or failure in clinical care, appropriate disciplinary action will be taken against the concerned personnel. The department reiterates its commitment to transparency, accountability, and patient safety, and we will take corrective action as required to strengthen maternal health protocols across all public health institutions. This is, as I said earlier, this is not a time for blame, but it is for a time for reflection and improvement. So, as a department, we remains steadfast in our responsibility to ensure that such tragedies are not repeated in the future. Thank you.